After hearing of Guardian Roofing on Cairo Radio, we called them because we had some gutter problems that we'd been neglecting for a long time. Our call was answered by a customer service person who made an appointment for a representative to come to our house, who checked out all of our problems, took pictures, showed us that, yes, we had gutter problems, but in addition to that, our roof had aged more than we thought that it had. So after showing us all of the pictures, walked through what they could do for us and what it would cost and so forth. And it was very easy to accept. Within a week, we had people out here, very responsive, very on time, very professional. We would definitely recommend Guardian Roofing to anybody who ever asked about roof service, and that they're number one.